Okay, it is nice to see you, my viewer. Welcome to my channel, Mr. Oloan Simbolon. For the next, let's warming up first. You have to believe the power word you give to yourself is very effective. So, practice make perfect. You have to believe that. Bahwa latihan itu membuat kamu akan sempurna. That's why, be persistent. Keep learning forever. Tetap persisten dan selalu belajar selamanya. Let's discuss for this moment practice about cause effect practice. In Indonesia, I can say to you, kita berlatih tentang proses sebab akibat dalam kalimat. But for this practice, let's read the story first. We can find from the story the cause effect practice. I'll read it for you. Tina was having an awful day. She didn't wake up on time because she forgot to set her alarm clock. She forgot to set her alarm clock. Since she didn't wake up to let the dog out, he made a mess on the floor. She forgot to put her math book in her backpack, so she didn't have her homework. When it was time for lunch, Tina remembered her lunchbox was on the counter in the kitchen. She went to band class, thus realizing her flute was still in her bedroom where she had practiced the night before. Tina got on the bus to go home. Her friend Kesia told her jokes to make her smile. As a result, by the time she got home, Tina felt much better. That's the text. We have read it. Now, according to the text, let's practice to answer some questions. Do you find signal words that can help us to show cause and effect? In Indonesia, you can say this question. Apakah kamu menemukan kata-kata signal, kata-kata penanda yang bisa membantu kita menunjukkan suatu sebab akibat? Let's see in the program 1. Of course, because signal words of cause. Next, since. Signal words of cause. What else? Only two. So because and since. That's from because and since. It means the sentence to show a cause. In paragraph 2, let's see when. This is also to show the cause. And next, what else? Thus. Oh, we can find thus. This is a signal words for effect. Dengan demikian, thus, maka dari itu. Thus realizing, maka dari itu menyadari fluidnya, bukan fluid, suling. Sulingnya masih tinggal di kamar tidur di mana dia berlatih malam sebelumnya. Thus. The signal words for effect. Next, in the paragraph, last paragraph, as a result, this is a signal words for effect. Akibatnya, maka dari itu, akibatnya, konsekuensinya, as a result, by the time, akibatnya, sejalan dengan waktu dia pulang, Tina merasa lebih baik. Why? Because Keisha, her friends told her a joke. Okay, finish. Number 2, what caused Tina to wake up late? Let's see here. Apa yang menyebabkan Tina bangun terlambat? Oh, I see. Because she forgot to set her alarm clock. Dia lupa menyeting alarmnya, alarm jamnya. Next, what caused the dog to make a mess? Apa yang menyebabkan anjing membuat kekacauan atau berantakan? Let's see. He made a mess on the floor. Itu hasilnya, a fact. Why? What cause? Because since Tina, karena Tina didn't wake up to let the dog out. Karena Tina tidak bangun tepat waktu untuk membiarkannya dia lepas. Biasanya dilepas dulu, mungkin dia mau pipis dan sebagainya. Maka dia karena stres, dia bikin kekacauan. Dia itu anjingnya ya. Next, number 4. What effects did Tina face according to the story? Akibat-akibat apa yang Tina hadapi menurut cerita ini? Let's see. Akibat, effect. That Tina faced. Oh, awful day ya, awful day. She forgot to put. So, ini akibatnya satu. So, second word. So, she didn't have her homework. Itu efeknya. Sebabnya apa? Forgot to put her MacBook in her backpack. Efeknya sekarang, so she didn't have her homework. Next efeknya apa? Effect forgot his lunchbox. Her lunchbox. No hit. Forgot her lunchbox. She went to bed. Okay. Does, ini efeknya. Does realizing her flute. Menyadari ketinggalan sulingnya. Does, start from the signal word effect. Does. Realizing her flute. Berarti menyadari sulingnya ketinggalan ketika dia menyadari penyebabnya di ruang kelas musik. Band. Next, efek apa lagi? As a result, signal word of effect. By the time she got home. Hasilnya, dia jadi merasa lebih baik. Karena dapat joke. Sebabnya, Keisha told joke. Hasilnya dia merasa, akibatnya Tina felt much better. Yaitu jawabannya. Next 5. What caused Tina to feel much better? Okay, let's see here. Apa yang menyebabkan Tina merasa lebih baik? Oh, because Keisha told her jokes to make her smile. Si Keisha temannya bercanda, akhirnya dia bisa ketawa karena bikin candaan si Keisha. Next, number 6. What kind of text do you think the story about? Explain your answer. Ayo, pertanyaannya apa itu? Apa pertanyaannya? Jenis teks apa story ini? Ayo, sudah belajar di Simple Past, apa itu? This is a recount text. Why? Because the story is about the past event. Tina told her own experience. So, cerita tentang pengalaman lampau itu disebut recount text. And next, number 7, I think that's your assignment. I let you answer that in the column of my channel using then, so, when, as a result, or consequently to fill in the blank from A to A. Dari A sampai E, isilah supaya menunjukkan proses cause and effect-nya. I'm waiting for your response on my YouTube channel. Thank you my viewers. Thank you my subscriber. I love you all. God bless you. Bye.